Hello guys, this is Juan from Novecel. Today I'm gonna make a video to compare those two freezers that we are selling now. The one is Q7, one is Q8. Because a lot of our customers, they are asking us what's the difference between those two machines. That's why we want to make this video to explain to you guys to compare both of them. I would like to compare from different aspects. The first thing we're gonna say from the exterior. The second thing we're gonna say from interior. The third thing we're gonna open the hood to say the working area. So those we're gonna compare with those three aspects to make sure guys to see all the details, make sure you understand or you can make the right decision. So the first thing we're gonna measure the size of this machine. So let's measure the size of this from the Q7. The Q7, the size is it's around a 50. So on this side, it's like a 55. 55. Is that clear? 55. So this side is 58. 58. Right? 57, 58. The height of this machine is how much is that? It's like 91. It's 91. And this Q8, the size of this machine, come closer. Let's say 61 by 50 by 53, 54, and the height of this machine it's like 99. It's like 99, almost to 100. So this is the size measurement of those two machines. And then now let's take. I'm gonna turn this machine, let you guys see the exterior part of this machine. So this is one side, second side, third side. And this is the last side of this Q7. So I'm gonna turn this again to let you see one more time. Okay. So this is the exterior part of this machine. So now let's go to this Q8. So this is one side. Oh, this is very heavy. This one, because this one is heavier than this one. One side. Second side, third one, third. So this is the last side of this machine. So I'm gonna do this again to let you guys see very clearly, because you guys are from different countries, very far from China. So that's why I want to give you guys to see the detail, to let you guys make the right decision. So I have just showed the exterior part of those two machines. You guys, I think you guys have already seen this clearly. And about the weight of those two machines, this one without packing, it's around 100 kilo. So this one without packing, it's around 130 kilo of this machine. So this is the exterior part of this machine. Now the second part, the second thing we're gonna compare is interior. Because last night we made a video. We opened the lid of this Q7. We saw the inside of this machine, interior part of this machine. We saw the compressor, we saw the filter, and today we will not open the lid because we already did. Both of them, they're having the same compressor, this from T-Council. Because this kind of difficult. It takes time. We have to open the lid to see what's inside. It's just the compressor the same. It's just this machine has bigger chamber, so it's more. It has more space inside. Another one is smaller, so the space is less. So this is the difference between those two machines, interior part of this machine. But what I'm gonna open is this part. Not this part. As guys see here. And we're gonna open the Q8 is here. This Q8 actually we're using Schneider, the same as the other one, the same Schneider. So this is the switch. So this is relay Schneider, the German brand, And this is, as you can see here, the brand. Here's the brand. Yeah, just go closer. Yeah, let them see the brand. This is Meanwell. You guys can go to the website or Google it, Meanwell, and also Schneider. It's a very good brand for in their own field. They're very good at this, making this kind of products. And this one as well, we're using Meanwell and also Schneider. And as I explained to you guys, because of the space, that one is bigger, so it has more space inside. This one is because the machine is smaller, so it has smaller space inside. Yeah, I'm gonna close this. And also very neat. Both of them we are using all the like a wrap. What's the name of this, like tube, whatever, to wrap it very well. So this is the interior part of those two machines. About the screen, the touch screen, actually both of them have the same system. There are 3 different languages: Chinese, English, and Spanish. So in the future we're gonna make more videos. You will see the system of those machines. Now what I'm gonna do is open the hood, open the lid of both machines. I'm gonna using the ruler to see the size of those machines. Actually, I did it yesterday. So this is 25 by 35, and this is 42. 42 is like 16 inches. This is the size of this Q7. We can put, as you can see, we can put six screens, individuals inside. And the other one, this Q8, we can put 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 10 screens inside of this chamber, this area, this working area. So the size of this one is 41. It's 41 by 33. Another one is 25 by 35. This one is 41 by 33. This one 10 pieces inside of this working area. This one 6 pieces inside of this working area. So we have seen those two machines from exterior part, interior part, and also the working area from 3 different aspects to compare both machines. As just from my opinion, the reason we choose both machines, we don't want to say both of them are very good. I don't want to say one is better than another one. It's just for different customer, for different company. Q7, it has smaller capacity. This one we want to sell this one for like small business, medium-sized business. This one for you is very good. It's very good. And for those big company, very big company or medium-sized company, you can buy this one, because this one you can put 10 pieces inside, and it has bigger production, and also, as you can see, the material, it has I don't know what's the name of this one. It's like the gas. It's like a gas piston or a gas cylinder. So it has, and also you can check the material of this lead, and also because I'm touching it. So this is stainless steel, very good quality. But this is for big company, medium-sized company. If money is not an issue, just go for this one, because this one is more expensive and it's heavier. So you're gonna pay more money for the product and also for the shipping. So this is for big company. Normally for small size, medium size, because most of our audience are owner of small business and also for medium-sized business, and they don't have very big production every day. So that's the reason I recommend this one. If I were you, I would buy this one. If I have a big company, I would like to buy 2 of those, so I can use both of them. I can use another one as backup. So if I think I've already explained to you guys very clearly, with very detailed information for you guys. So if you have any more questions, so you can leave us comments and contact us, and we will try our best to explain to you guys, to help you guys make the right decision. I'm gonna repeat it. So this one for small size, medium size business, and it's lighter. This machine with packing is around 121, sometimes 122 kilo. Let's say 122 kilo with packing, and also it can reach. Last time we tested, it reached minus 194. So later we're gonna switch on this machine. We're gonna separate S8. So we're gonna test again to say how long does it take to reach to minus 194, and we can also use this one to separate one S8 plus, and also we're gonna renew our video to make all the video like one more time, because the technology is getting better every day, so that's why we want to start again to make new videos to do S8, S8 plus, S9, S9 plus, and to help you guys to use the new technology to repair those broken glasses. Yeah, guys, that's it. This is everything that I want to say, and thank you very much for watching. And any more questions, just let us know. And if you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and give us a like. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.